Alright, how's everybody doing? Welcome to Alaska and welcome to my home. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this challenge this month, but my wife just happened to get me a brand new Benjamin Caden for Christmas. So I started sighting that in and just was having so much fun with it, I decided to go ahead and give this a shot. So let's go down and try it out. It's a little cold here today. It's 25 degrees and of course pretty good scenery behind me. This is our backyard. So let's go over here. I've got some targets already set up. We will be shooting into a snowbank over there at 20 yards with the Caden offhand and just see how we do. We'll see how it goes. All right. All right. So we're going to be shooting at 20 yards, like I said. Got a camera already set up on the target. There's 5 little cookies and 3 candy canes at about 20 yards. Let's see how we do. This brand new Caden. Shot number 1 is good. Shot number 2 is good. Shot number 3, good one. Shot number 4, good one. And shot number 5 is good. All right, now I'll try the candy canes. They're gonna be a little tougher. Oh, shot number 1, direct hit. Oh, shot number 2, just barely to the left. Oh, shot number 3 is good. Oh, shot number 4, just barely to the left. And oh, shot number 5, a little to the right. Oh, and I'm out. Well, 2 out of 3 candy canes and all 5 sugar cookies. Small sugar cookies, by the way. I would say that's pretty good. And great day in Alaska. See y'all around.